We have a country to save, and we have less than 2 years to do it. Listen to this. Look at this.
Every 5 metric tons of carbon dioxide our city emits comes from food. But all food is not created equal. The vast majority of food that is contributing to our emission crises lies in meat and dairy products. We already know that a plant power diet is better for your physical and mental health, and I am living proof of that. But the reality is that thanks to this new inventory, we're finding out it is better for the planet. 1 in every 5 metric tons of carbon dioxide our city emits comes from food. But all food is not created equal. The vast majority of food that is contributing to our emission crises lies in meat and dairy products. We already know that a plant power diet is better for your physical and mental health, and I am living proof of that. But the reality is that thanks to this new inventory, we're finding out it is.
We need to stop doing this nonsense. We need to stop. Now they're going to choose what food can we eat. So is this why we are here? Seriously? Your carnitas, now there'll be no carnitas? You're going to eat taco, like onion taco? Because according to him and voices in his head, it's better to eat like vegetables instead of meat. Are you kidding me? So we have, guys, we have less than 2 years to kick them out. Like we can't vote for Biden anymore. Biden gotta go. Every single Latino that I'm talking to, I'm not voting for Biden. I'm making sure that every person that I know, I'm gonna talk to them. We need to change this, guys. 99-cent stores is no longer 99 cents. I have never seen this. Went to lots of crises, went to a lot of problems. I have never seen 99-cent stores not 99 cents. There is nothing. You go into a 99-cent store right now, there is nothing that's 99 cents. Nothing. Biden's just destroying this country. Destroying. The guy is falling, literally. There is no way that we can vote for Democrats anymore. That's it. That's it. They're going to choose our food. They're going to choose what's male and female. They're going to choose what we can do for work. I mean, what else are they going to do? What else they're going to determine that I have to do? So we can't have meat anymore? And he tried to convince me that he's a vegetarian? Seriously? And he is an example of something good? Seriously? Now they are saying that there is a discrimination to food. There is a food that is being discriminated, and that is food that's not discriminated. Guys, we have a year, less than 2 years to save America. And every single one of you, we need to step up. We need to work together, but we have a country to save. God bless America.